AI is everywhere right now and it can feel overwhelming. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Copilot. New tools launching every single day. If you've been wanting to understand AI but don't know where to start, this is the video for you. By the end, you'll understand what AI actually is, how it works in simple terms, which tools to use, and how to start using them today. No technical background needed. Let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence is software that can do things we normally think require human intelligence. Things like understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and creating content. The AI tools you hear about most, like ChatGPT and Claude, are a specific type called large language models or LLMs. Think of them as incredibly advanced autocomplete. They've read billions of pages of text from the internet, books, and documents. When you type a question, they predict the most helpful response based on everything they've learned. They're not actually thinking or understanding the way humans do. They're pattern matching at an incredible scale. But the results are so good that for most practical purposes, the difference doesn't matter. Here's how it works in plain English. Companies like OpenAI and Anthropic take massive amounts of text and feed it to their AI models during training. The model learns patterns. It learns that after the phrase "the capital of France is," the word Paris should come next. But at scale across billions of examples, these patterns become incredibly sophisticated. The AI learns grammar, facts, reasoning patterns, writing styles, coding syntax, and much more. When you chat with it, you're essentially having a conversation with a system that's really, really good at predicting useful responses. The key thing to remember is that AI can be wrong. It doesn't fact-check itself. It generates the most likely response, which is usually right, but not always. That's why you should always verify important information. Now let's talk about which tools to actually use. There are 4 main AI assistants worth knowing about. ChatGPT by OpenAI is the most popular and a great all-around tool. It handles writing, coding, brainstorming, and creative tasks well. It has a free tier and a plus plan at $20 a month. Claude by Anthropic is excellent for working with long documents, detailed analysis, and nuanced writing. Many professionals prefer it for business tasks. It has a free tier and a pro plan. Perplexity AI is the best tool for research. It searches the internet and gives you cited, sourced answers. Think of it as Google, but the AI reads all the results for you. And Gemini by Google integrates with Gmail, Google Docs, and other Google services. If you live in the Google ecosystem, it's worth checking out. My recommendation? Start with ChatGPT since it has the largest community and the most tutorials. Then try Claude when you need deeper analysis. Here's your action plan for getting started. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com and create a free account. It takes 2 minutes. Step 2. Start with simple tasks you already do. Ask it to help you write an email, summarize an article, or brainstorm ideas for a project. Step 3. Learn to write better prompts. The more specific and detailed your request, the better the response. Tell the AI who you are, what you need, and how you want it formatted. Step 4. Commit to using AI for just 10 minutes a day. After a week, you'll start finding use cases everywhere. Step 5. Once you're comfortable with ChatGPT, explore other tools like Claude for analysis or Perplexity for research. The biggest mistake people make is trying to learn everything at once. Just start with one tool, one task, and build from there. Let me address the concerns I hear most often. Will AI take my job? The honest answer is that AI will change jobs, not eliminate most of them. People who learn to use AI will be more productive and more valuable. Is my data safe? Most tools let you opt out of having your data used for training. Check the settings. Can you trust AI output? For everyday tasks, yes. For critical decisions, always verify. Think of AI as a very smart intern. Great work, but double-check the important stuff. Is it worth paying for? Start with the free tiers. If you find yourself hitting limits or wanting advanced features, the paid plans are usually worth it. That's your beginner's guide to AI in 2026. If you found this helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week I break down AI tools and techniques in plain, simple English for people who aren't technical. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll answer every single one. See you in the next video.